Hello guys, welcome back to our Creationz. It's a pleasure to have you join me here once again. Coming up in today's video, I would love to share with you how to center your taskbar icons just like the Windows 11 operating system. If you wish to learn how, stick around. So to begin this, first, we come all the way down here to our taskbar. We right click on this and make sure that if you have our locked taskbar turned on, we turn it off. Again, right click on the taskbar, go all the way up to two bars here and select links. With that done, we come down here to our extreme right where we have the links. There's two vertical lines here. Grab hold of it and move it to the extreme left. Like this. Now come all the way back to the right with the same vertical lines, drag and bring the icons to the middle, somewhere say here. We go back to our links, we right click on it, make sure that we turn these off. And lastly, right click on the taskbar again and make sure we lock it. Easy. Now we have our icon centered right in the middle, just like the Windows 11 operating system. Once again, and as always, thank you so much for watching.